It's 600. You're going to have to pay $600. I'm not going to take the deal. I don't have to take a deal. So we'll just put it on the trial docket, and when it gets around to getting ready for trial, we'll try.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
And Ordell Mays.
Ready, Your Honor. State's ready.
Yeah. It's just on the trial, but I think it says Watson is going to be a Watson. That's the only problem. That's a plea for me. That's 100%. Watson.
Is the papers done yet?
Papers is done on Watson.
Okay.
And that's the only trial I can make.
Okay. I need Watson out. Christopher Watson, please. Thank you. It's going to be in. You're Christopher Watson.
Yes, sir.
23C or 1254 is now called the State of Texas versus Christopher Caleb Watson, who is here with Mr. Adams, his attorney, and state's attorney is here. Does the defendant waive formal reading of the indictment and the arraignment here? Can we proceed in summary?
Yes, sir.
In summary, this indictment alleges that on or about April 25th, 2023 in Jefferson County, Texas, you committed a state jail felony of burglary of a building. Do you understand what your charges are?
Yes, sir.
If convicted of a state jail felony like this, you face confinement in the state jail for any term of not less than 180 days or more than 2 years. In addition, a fine may be assessed not to exceed $10,000. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
An agreement's been reached where you would be pleading guilty and sentenced to 18 months in the state jail. Restitution is ordered in the amount of $600. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
If I follow this agreement, you have no right of appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
How are you going to pay the restitution?
I don't know.
How are you going to pay the restitution? They need to get, well, that their plan needs to be in place before I accept the deal. I mean, I don't have to take this deal. The victims want their money back for the loss.
I didn't pitch restitution.
How you going to, sir?
I didn't pitch restitution, so this came from you. Restitution.
Yeah. Well, I'm not going to take a deal if you don't have the money to pay it. You can just sit it out for 2 years.
Judge,
No, that's what the people want. The people want
Judge,
to pay.
hang on.
You're going to get them.
What is the restitution for?
It's
What's it for?
Hang on. You broke the front door glass. I guess it's probably for that. That looks like what the damage is. And it could be that much, you know, if it's a big door. It's all glass. But it's not a debate. It's, they put in for they said they're owed $600. And I deal with the people. They're just not defendants in the trial. You got victims. Yes. And victims have a say. There's a loss. And we're going to try to accommodate them when they are lost, on a loss. People will say, why are they making a deal? And I'm out the money. What did they do to get a deal? And I have to deal with those directly, sir.
For you.
Sir.
For you.
Sir,
Oh, what's your judgment on the case?
it's 600. You're going to have to pay $600. I'm not going to take the deal, sir.
600 is not days.
Sir, I'm sorry. What'd you say?
600 is not days, it's money.
600. Okay, fine. I understand that. I don't have to take a deal.
So I
So
agree.
we'll just put it on the trial docket, and when it gets around to getting ready for trial, we'll try. That's what we'll do.
I don't know what restitution is.
Restitution is payment for loss,
Oh,
and the people say they lost $600 worth of something, and it's apparently the glass that was broken when you burglarized the building. I don't see another loss, but that has to get paid.
but it was lost.
$600 loss, and they're going to say, "Why did he get a deal?" If we're out
He
the
didn't get a
money,
deal. He didn't get one.
sir.
He didn't get a deal. He
Sir,
got a deal canceled. His deal got canceled.
yeah,
All
you
right.
can serve 2 years is what the law says. You can serve up to 2 years. And that's, and a deal, and a plea agreement, look it up. There's no right under law for that. There's no right under law. And you're looking at up to 2 years. That's what the law states. And I don't have to accept it. It's a privilege that's trying to move cases. But if the people say we need our restitution back, they're going to get accommodated. It's not right. If I was injured and they got a deal, didn't they? Well, that's nice. Where's my $600? There's no way you can find that money. There's no way somebody can help you with that.
No, you don't give that chance. You don't give that kind of chance. You're gonna let me out of jail. I was gonna get the restitution money, and then we just weren't gonna do that because there was
No, this
restitution
wasn't a
money,
probation.
and now I'm not gonna do it.
This wasn't a probation.
So 6 more months then. 6 more months.
This wasn't a probation.
over 600.
Okay. No, we just said for trial. That's all. Thank you.
You gotta know how to decide something, Judge. You gotta decide something. You can't.
Sir, I'm
I'm
sorry. I'm sorry. You don't make the rules in this courtroom.
No, I make decisions.
The law
I
does.
make decisions.
The law does. The law says you have a right to a trial, and we will accommodate that. We'll set it for trial. Thank you.
200 days,
200 more days.
and that's what we've got to deal with, I guess. Just under 2 years, I got this.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.